Yeah, I was trying to capture this, but Olivia, Bugs, Bugs,
I'm coming.
come. Hey, quickly explain this to me.
Quickly from what?
What you were doing? What's going on here on the whiteboard?
Okay, so let me tell you another. Well, let me tell you about acute angles now.
You want to show acute angles now? So, what type of angles were?
Not acute. Not acute. Well, I'll also say obtuse angle. Not this acute angle in green.
So those were just what kind of angles? The angles that you just erased. What kind of angles were those?
Complementary angles.
Okay.
But this, well, I'll draw the acute angles in green and the obtuse angles in pink.
Okay, why not? I just had an idea too. When you're finished, I'll tell you. Yeah, you need a vertex. Good job. Good job, honey. Great job. You're still super good at this. We haven't done this in a very long time. So, what if you draw 180, a straight angle? Draw a straight angle.
Well, I would draw the angle in red.
Okay. And then use a line similar to, and then use a line to cut it into two separate angles.
That is called a supplementary angle.
Yes, it is. So that way you can have both an acute and an obtuse angle all on the same line, all together, next to each other. They can supplement each other. Good job.
It seems like mine was a bit curly.
Yeah, exactly. So,
But do you think this one is
so if that angle on the left is 30, what's the angle on the right?
the angle on the right should be I think it wait.
Bugs, I don't, just tell me, Bugs.
Well,
You're such a perfectionist. Just tell me, what is the other angle? If the angle on the left is 130, what's the angle on the right?
angle on the right, maybe, let's say 40. No,
How?
that's incorrect.
If the angle on the right is 30, then if the angle on the left is 30,
Oh, 50.
no, Bugs.
This angle is 50.
If this angle is 30,
Oh,
what is this obtuse angle?
oh, 150.
Exactly, that's all I'm asking.
So, are those the bad habits you're talking about?
My bad habits?
Yes.
No, my bad habits are notation. Like when I'm supposed to show my work, and to be honest, I'm actually passing that on to you. Because we do so much mental math that we don't write down every detail. A person should be able to tell what you are thinking when they're reading your math. So if you don't write the notation to show what you are thinking at each stage, it'll be difficult for someone to follow if you make a mistake.
Reflex and full rotation angles in black.
You're going to draw reflex and what angle?
And full rotation angle.
Got you. Full rotation angle. Okay.
So, let's try another one. This one is going up to 180 degrees off. And then you have a vertical line. See, each of the angles are 90 degrees.
Well, you would have to signify that by using the perpendicular boxes. There you go. Good job. Good job, honey. Good job.
So they each form a straight angle that is...
No, they don't each form a straight angle. Together, they form a straight angle.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
I know that's what you're
So
saying.
together they form an angle. What was that?
That was Mom. You should draw two parallel lines and a transversal going through them.
What was that?
It's Mom. Mom is... See? Don't let it distract you, honey. Honey? Don't let it distract you. Alright, so draw two parallel lines and a transversal going through them. So that way we can show congruent angles. What color are you going to draw? Oh, pink. Nice. Good job. So which line's the transversal?
This one is the transversal.
Good job. So let me show you. Let me show you this angle right here. You're correct. I should not put it in my mouth. So this angle would be congruent to that angle, which is also congruent to this angle. So those are congruent angles. Good job. So if this angle is 30, what would that one be?
It would also be this.
Good job. Why?
Because they're congruent.
Good job, Bugsy. Love 5. I really thought you forgot this stuff. Alright, so show me an example of... Oh, what about categorizing triangles by angles instead of sides? Tell me first, what are 3 types of triangles by their angles? Yeah.
And I'll choose triangle would be like this.
Great job. Great job. So what are they? Tell me. Which one's this?
An equilateral triangle.
And then which one's this?
An acute triangle.
An acute triangle. And then which one's this?
An obtuse triangle.
Good job. Let me show you a trick. When writing an equilateral triangle, this is a good trick. Right? You're showing that all the angles are the same. So you do this. Bam, bam, bam. So we know it's an equilateral triangle. Got it?
Right.
Or you could also do it with the sides too. And this one's an acute. And this one is?
Obtuse.
But you forgot one. Give me another one. 4. Give me 4. Give me what's another triangle you can categorize by its angle.
I have lots more.
Okay.
Like a right triangle.
Good job. Show me the perpendicular symbol. Good job.
Look at hypotenuse.
And it does have a hypotenuse. But we're dealing with the angles right now. Good job, though. You're correct. Oh, no. You can't have... You can have isosceles right angle triangle, but you can't have an equilateral. You can't have a right angle triangle with equal sides, because just like you said, you have a hypotenuse. And a hypotenuse is always the
longest side.
Exactly. So we know that they're not equal. And what's the formula for finding the hypotenuse?
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
And who invented that? Whose theorem is that?
Pythagorean theorem.
Good job, Pythagoras and the boys, eh?
You're so funny, Daddy.
You're funny too. All right, so let's move to the next one. What's another?
The cover.
I don't know. I'll find it for you in a minute. I think it fell on the floor.
Right there.
There you go. All right, come. Let's go.
There is another kind of angle that I want you to talk. That I'm gonna talk about.
Another kind of angle? Another kind of triangle by angles? I think you can also determine isosceles by angles, right? What's that? A line? Or a ray? It's a ray.
Well, that is a 360-degree angle.
It's also called?
A full rotation.
So to show a full rotation, right? Shouldn't you also do this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's another way of full rotation.
Cool. So let's now talk about triangles by their sides, right?
Wait, there's another kind of angle that I want to talk about. And I'll draw it in brown.
What kind of triangle is that?
Well, it's not a big triangle. It's... I got it. So, okay.
Oh, that was supposed to be your reflex angle?
Yes.
All right, well you would have to take this away and draw the angle sign on that side to show that it's going all the way around. There you go. That's your reflex angle. You remembered. I actually thought you forgot. When you said earlier you're going to draw two angles, the full rotation and a reflex angle. Because I brought up the triangles and I thought you forgot. All right, so triangles by their sides. What are three different types of triangles categorized by their sides? Not by their angles, by their sides.
I'll draw them in purple.
You draw them in purple? Babe, do you realize we haven't done this in like over a year? And she still remembers all of it, like... Right. But in order for her to apply it, like for instance, I know like we're doing Pythagorean theorem the other day, so that's evidence of
Introducing angles.
she obviously didn't forget that stuff from that time. You get me? But I'm just showing that she really has not really missed a step since that time and that level of geometry. Good job. So that one's equilateral.
Yeah.
Show me another.
Isosceles. I think it's what?
Right, and then just put the two strikes on the two long sides. You don't have to draw it perfectly. You just use your symbols to show what type of triangle it is. The only thing new on this board, honey, is the thing with congruent angles. And we were doing that on Khan Academy like last week, was it?
Yeah.
All right, so good job. All right, and give me another one by sides.
How about I think it's gonna look like this.
And what is it called?
It is called a scaling.
Good job, Bugs, babe. She really does not miss a beat. Good job, Bugs. Good job. Like Bugs. I'm not even impressed by the information. I'm impressed by the retention. Good jobby job, Bugs. Yeah, we haven't done this in over a year, since she was 3, last year, August. And I guess it's proof that it sticks. You want to keep going, Bugs?
Huh?
You want to keep going? Baby, she's amazing.
I can explain.
No, that's fine. That's amazing. That is amazing, honey.
Oh, something in your eye?
No, I gotta help it. Look at this.
Wow, you did that well.
The only thing I'm wondering is if these angles are also considered to be congruent, like when they're on the opposite sides, but we know they're the same because we know that 4 angles and a cross equal to 360.
I forgot to explain this to you.
Oh. Yeah, we for sure need a bigger whiteboard there. Look at what we're reduced to. All right, so that's either a square or a rectangle. All right, 4 perpendicular angles.
And they add up to 360 degrees.
Okay. See, I like this also. They add up to a full rotation.
You're right. So, this is why I call this a full rotation.
So, let me show you another cool thing that I know you already know, but this is a great way to explain it to other people. The reason why all the degrees in a triangle add up to 180 is a triangle is just simply half of a quadrilateral.
That's a great way to express it.
Yeah.
This is
A great way to express
now
what?
it's like a unit square.
There you go. So that's why the formula for calculating an area is area of a triangle is
The area of a triangle.
yeah, what's the formula?
1/2 of big and high.
Good job. Write it.
Again, my mug is not looking like.
But
I
you have to
have a
twist
lot
it.
of
Twist it so
things.
you write with the fine point. There you go. 1/2 of 1/2 times. Good job. Same thing. 1/2 of base.
Times height.
Good job. So, quadrilateral is base times height. And just like half a quadrilateral is a triangle, 1/2 of base times height equals the area of a triangle.
Yeah, but do you think this looks like a tiny little mountain or something?
A tiny little mountain.
That's what Rob calls it.
That's what Rob calls it?
Yeah.
You're hilarious. You are hilarious, Bugs.
And Mommy, I forgot to tell you something. Rob would call it this triangle the tiny little mountain.
What a silly girl.
You're funny.
Yep, we need a bigger whiteboard.